Good morning friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss one of the GATE question which came in the year 2021 related to computer networks course. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. Following message 11000 is to be encoded using cyclic redundancy check. They have given a polynomial as x cube plus x plus 1. Find the last 3 bits in the encoded message. If you are sending the data which is 11000, this is your data. Okay, you are using the CRC mechanism, which is cyclic redundancy mechanism, and you are using the polynomial as x cube plus x plus 1. If you are using the polynomial as x cube plus x plus 1, which is nothing but 1 into x cube plus 0 into x square plus 1 into x plus 1 into x power 0, which is nothing but 1011. Is it clear? This is your polynomial. So you got the polynomial as 1011 and your data is 11000. Now if you look at how many bits are there in the polynomial, 4 bits are there. Now you need to take the 3 zeros. Is it clear? Now what you need to do, you need to find the CRC. Okay, how to do it? First you will take 1011. Now you will perform the exclusive OR. Is it clear? We will do the modulus 2 division. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? Now if you do the exclusive OR, you know that exclusive OR gate. If you have x exclusive OR y, you can write it as x and y complement plus x complement and y. If you take 0 and 0, 0 exclusive OR 0, you will get it as 0, 1, okay, 0 and 0's complement you will get 1, 0's complement you will get 1 and 0. So you will get finally 0. Is it clear? So what I can say is that in exclusive OR, if both the inputs are same, you will get the output as 0. If both the inputs are different, such as 0, 1, 1, 0, you will get 1 only. So with this one, you can do it. 0, 1, you will get 1. 0, 1, you will get 1. 1, 0, you will get 1. 1, 1, you will get 0. So you remove this one and keep this 0 here. Again, you perform the division. 1, 0, 1, 1. Again, you perform the exclusive OR. 0, 1, you will get 1. 1, 1, 0. 1, 0 is 1, 1, 1 is 0. Now you leave this one and take this 0. Is it clear? If you do it again, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, again what you will get? 1, 0, 0, 0. Is it clear? So you take these 3 bits, okay? Now you keep these 2 bits. Now you got the 100 is your last 3 digits you want to append, and you can send this data. Now what they are asking, find the last 3 bits in the encoded message. This is your data and these are the 3 bits we have encoded, and the sender will send this entire data instead of this data. Is it clear? Now they are asking last 3 bits. What are the last 3 bits? 100. So the right answer is option A for this question. I hope you have understood how I solved this question. Let me discuss another question which came in the GATE 2021 related to computer networks course. They have given 2 statements. Statement 1 is that ARP protocol related, this question is related to ARP, which is address resolution protocol. ARP request is broadcast. ARP reply is unicast. They have given 2 statements like this and asking which statements are true, whether S1 and S2 is true or which one is true they are asking. You know what is ARP? Address resolution protocol. What is address resolution protocol? If you know the IP address, if you want to do the mapping of corresponding MAC address, then we can do it. Is it clear? We know the destination IP address, but we don't know the MAC address. Then ARP protocol will be useful for us to do the mapping. Okay. Now request because we have the destination IP address. Am I right? So what we will do, we want to find the destination MAC address. So then what we will do, we will request the message to everyone. We will send the request, ARP request packet to everyone. So that's why we will do the broadcasting. Now reply will come from the destination only to the source in a unique casting way, because destination knows, okay, from this source I got the request, so I will send. Let's take the simple example. A faculty is asking the question to the students, then the question will be broadcast. Does you know this question? Does anyone know this question? So that is the way the faculty will ask. So the question is broadcast. Now if one person know this answer, then he will say that, sir, I know this answer. Then he will reply it in a unicast way. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? So ARP request packet is a broadcast, whereas ARP reply packet is also unicast. So both the statements are true. Okay, I hope you have understood these two questions. If you still have any doubts related to these two questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.